Hello guys, welcome to this video review about Aline, and today I do want to talk to you about your hearing health and things like tinnitus as well. And if you suffer from this really harmful situation, you need to listen up. Today I want to talk to you about Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus is really a good supplement that is basically created out of natural ingredients, and it is very healthy and safe. It has such a great impact on your life. It delivers amazing results. Stay in this video and watch it until the very end, because today I do want to help you understand everything about Quietum Plus, like everything from literally A to Z about it. So if you don't want to miss out on important information and have regrets or throw your money away, I strongly recommend that you listen up, okay? Also, let me tell you right now, I will be sharing the most important alert, every thing you need to know about Quietum Plus, and that is actually you need to get it from. It is seen by so many people actually that Quietum Plus has its very own official website, so I went there myself, copied the link for you guys and left it in the below of this video in the description box. So once you click there, you will be redirected straight to the official webpage, and you can read a little bit more about its story over there and learn more about the creator himself and check out its natural ingredients. You can also read people's fantastic feedbacks. Who knows, maybe you can even relate to a story or two, and there's so much more you can find over there. What I mean is that if you get it from the official website, you will actually be able to have a refund. You also be making a very safe and secure purchase, guys. Now let's talk about what Quietum Plus is really about. Basically, it is here to really help you treat any hearing conditions, restore, repair your hearing, and prevent hearing loss. So if you are suffering from hearing loss, or you want to prevent hearing loss because it might even come to you sooner or later, Quietum Plus is actually going to be there to help you out. Not to mention tinnitus, it's annoying. If you've never suffered from it before, let me explain. It's like a constant buzzing and ticking in your ears, and you can't concentrate, you can't think properly, and it makes you stressed out all the time. Quietum Plus contains ingredients that go to really the root cause of the problem and fixes it from the root. So say goodbye to tinnitus forever. Quietum Plus actually contains some really cool ingredients like vitamin A, B, and even zinc. These help nourish your brain connections and support your immune system as well. Our hearing is actually, and brain wired up, right? So it also has Donal, and which is a Chinese remedy that supports brain cells health. I mean, it's like a superior ear tonic and gets rid of any toxins and inflammation. And additionally, it has ingredients like mura, puama, and maca root, which help you with inflammation and soothe your nervous system. With Quietum Plus, you're going to get really great results. It will basically renew your whole cognitive and hearing process. Now, if you want to experience all of these great results, here's the deal. You do need to take care of your treatment very seriously, so be strict with it. It is recommended by the manufacturer that you begin with a 3-month treatment, or ideally a 6-month treatment. So the full treatment gives you your whole system enough time to adapt, use it, all its benefits, and even deliver awesome results. So just make sure you actually use it every day. And since it's natural, that should be literally no interruption, guys. Please, no interruptions, otherwise it will just take longer for you to get results, and we don't want that, right? And we want great results. So not to mention, Quietum Plus has absolutely 0 side effects, 0 contradictions. This makes the supplement even more trustworthy and safe. Also, let's say you purchase your treatment and I don't know, you're unhappy with it and want your money back. You can. If you got it from the official website, you actually get a 60-day money back guarantee. So just go there, talk to the support group, and they will help you every single penny back. To give you your single penny back. And that's how awesome they are, guys. But honestly, give it a shot, take the treatment seriously, and don't skip any day. Don't forget that I have left the official webpage in the link in the description box. And if you still have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below. I will also help you out. Quietum Plus is already helping thousands of men and women all over the world, so of course it's going to help you as well. But just be patient, don't interrupt your treatment, and you'll see great results. Have a great day, guys, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye bye.